In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate the steps to prevent WhatsApp from automatically saving photos and videos to your device's gallery. This feature can be particularly useful in conserving storage space and maintaining privacy. The process is similar for both iPhone and Android devices. Open the WhatsApp application. Go to the Settings section. Tap on the Chats option. Disable the Save to Camera Roll option. By following these steps, WhatsApp will no longer automatically save photos and videos to your device's gallery. You will have to manually save any specific photos or videos you wish to keep.